I'm here in Edinburgh and I am visiting one of Edinburgh's most famous church, St Giles Cathedral, here on the Royal Mile in Edinburgh. And this church is famous for many reasons. More, it's been in a few films like Fast and Furious and Avengers Infinity War, but we also had the late passing of the Queen's funeral here, which has obviously brought in more visitors and more people visiting this beautiful church here on the most beautiful street here in Edinburgh, the Royal Mile. Now, we are going to go in today, take a look around. Now, they do accept donations. It is a free attraction here in Edinburgh, so if you've got a small donation, please give it. If you can't afford it, it's totally fine. The money goes towards, obviously, keeping the upkeep of the church, and it's obviously still a youth church as well. They still have mass there, they still have music and all that, they have events also. So we're going to go inside, have a look around, so let's go. Now, if you do want to sit and have a wee prayer in peace, you can come and sit in the many seats and you can have a prayer, take some time to remember your loved ones. I'm going to take a minute just to remember my gran. I miss her very much. And it's places like this that makes you think about stuff and remember those who you have lost. So if you would like to take a minute to do that, then please do that. Yeah, but it's absolutely stunning, very calm in here, very peaceful. Tell you what, you couldn't drop a pin in there without hearing something. Absolutely stunning in there. I believe it's got something to do with Knight's Thistle or something she was saying to me. As I say, I wish I knew more about history, and this is why people come to these places, to learn and read up on stuff. Actually, it's got a wee screen here which actually tells you what this room is, so you could obviously watch this and this will tell you. It's absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. I mean, there's so much to see in a little space of time. So here, I'm looking at, right, I'm going to show you this. I believe this is how they built the church. We've got a picture here, the Thistle Chapel, roof under construction in 1910, which is that building we just went in. So what we just seen now in its beautiful glory, that was built in 1910. And obviously we've got the west door also, and we've got obviously looking across the old pews. Yeah, this 1985 as well. I mean, that was a year after I was born as well. Looking west across the cathedral towards is now known as Burns Window, which was installed in 1985. Wow, Burns Window, 1985. Wow. John Knox, yes, Mr. John Knox himself. It's a nice wee statue, but it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? John Knox, right. Born in 1513 at Haddington, which is East Lothian. John Knox was a leading figure of the Scottish Reformation, which led to the establishment from the church governance in Scotland. Knox originally trained as a Roman Catholic priest to join a growing Reformation movement in 1540s. Yeah, there's so much here you can read up in history. I'm not going to go through it all, but there's so much that I didn't know. John Knox, yeah. This is the Burns window. Absolutely stunning. The Burns window, stunning.
Happy of those, the rush of mighty waters shall not reach them. You are a hiding place for me. You preserve me from trouble. You surround me with glad cries of deliverance. I will instruct you and teach you the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Let us pray. Loving God, we gather here from many different places. We come together along many different paths. We know that behind us are things that we should not have done, should not have said. We know that there are good actions we failed to accomplish.
I can't get over how beautiful these stained glass windows are. Absolutely beautiful in here. And as I said before, it is a working church. So at 12 o'clock every single day they have a wee mass for 15 minutes. You can take a wee prayer or two and just be calm, silent. You can still tour, but just be respectful. Obviously if you've got kids and all that, make sure they're okay. But yeah, we're coming to the end now. We're basically at the exit, but I just can't get over how beautiful this place is. So if you are visiting St Giles Cathedral, leave a small donation. It's completely free to enter, but if you can give something. It's a place you want to visit. We're on the beautiful Royal Mile here in Edinburgh, the most visited street here in Edinburgh. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Yeah. It amazes me how much you can actually get into history and learn. And I could take all day to share it with you guys, try and read a few things, but you guys need to experience it for yourself. I can only show you what's here and what was there. You guys need to come here and experience it for yourself. Take a read, take a nice approach to everything. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. We've got the French embassy over there as well. And then obviously this bit here is obviously the court, the High Court, and that's the High Court over there. So we're on the beautiful Royal Mile. It's getting rainy now, so I better go. But guys, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.